Sector2428, and I'm going to be showing you a cool card trick. You ready? Okay, let's do this. Pick a card, any card. This one? Okay. Look at the card. You got it? You need more time? Okay, whatever. Okay, so, gonna mix the deck up. So, like that. 3 cuts is enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Alakazam. Gonna wave it and tap it with some Abracadabra. I'm gonna hold it. Sorry, sometimes when you do the intense magic, yeah, stuff happens. So, let's try that again, because it's a pretty cool trick. I want to. Come on, I need to do this because it's a really cool ending to it. Okay, so now, the cards are going to tell me what card you picked. It's going to listen to... Let's try that again. I'm going to listen to the cards, and now also your cards... Listen to them again. Your cards... I don't know if I can do this trick. Tap, tap, tap. Is that your card? Pretty cool trick, huh? But you want to know how it's done. So I'm going to teach you. For this trick, you need to have a favorite method of getting a selected card and bringing it to the top. If you don't have one, just type it on YouTube and you'll find some method. It's a lot of methods, so. Okay, so once it's on the top, we'll be using the Zack of Diamonds. Okay, so you make up some story, misdirection, and then lots of you probably noticed that when I said Magic-y Magic, I brought the cards down, but then brought them back up, right? Okay, so what I did is I took a pack of the cards out. So then this is what I did in the cards under the table. Take the cards. You want the number side to be here because it looks a lot cooler when you cough up the number part. You bring it, put it in your hand. It's best if you do 2 hands so it looks more natural as a cough. And also because my hands are too small. So it's double reason. Okay, so cough a couple times. And when you're ready to do the actual trick, oh yeah, and you should make up some trick, but then like trick them into thinking that the trick is different from the trick. Trick. Okay, so you cough, and then when you're ready, you pull the selected card, remember, up. You write down on it. Then you blow their minds. Yep, that's all there is to it. And be sure to blow their minds. Okay, I have a lot of other videos. I'm gonna have more coming up. Well, actually, I don't have that many right now, but I'll have some coming up. Right now, I have 2 other tutorials: how to split a sponge ball in half and how to vanish a card. I also have a D-Light video, and it has some D-Light methods that I like a lot. So check those out. Until next time, bye.